Google recently shut down the cloud-based Google Maps timeline interface. All your personal travel history was migrated off their servers and is now stored strictly on your device as a dense, localized JSON file. It is secure, but practically unreadable. To actually see that data again, we need the open-source Google Timeline Visualizer. It is a specialized tool built specifically to parse that raw file and render your history into a polished, animated video map. Because location history contains your home, workplace, and exact daily routines, security is the priority here. The visualizer runs an entirely local processing pipeline. Your JSON file never leaves your device, and there are zero third-party server uploads. If you recently upgraded your phone or reinstalled Maps, your local storage might be empty. Before doing anything else, open the Google Maps app, tap the backup icon, and manually import your encrypted cloud history. You need the data on the device before we can extract it. By running this localized engine, you bypass the cloud entirely. You regain the ability to animate and view your personal travel records while keeping full control over your privacy. Step 1 is extracting that unreadable JSON payload. Because of how the operating systems handle secure data, the exact extraction steps depend entirely on whether you are using Android or iOS. On Android, this process is segregated from the Maps app. You have to open your main system settings, navigate to Location, select Location Services, and finally tap Timeline. From that Timeline panel, tap Export Timeline Data and route the resulting JSON file straight to a persistent local folder, like your standard downloads directory. For iOS users, open Google Maps, tap your profile avatar, navigate to Settings, select the Personal Content menu, and tap Export Timeline Data. Save the file securely inside the native Apple Files application. If the export fails or shows zero data, stop. This means your local database is empty. You have to return to Google Maps and actively trigger the Cloud Import function to rebuild the local cache before attempting another export. Successfully extracting this raw file is the mandatory first step. It pulls your data out of Google's walled garden and sets us up for the visualizer. To install the rendering engine on Android, you will sideload the native APK package. You download this directly from the official Timeline Visualizer GitHub release page. Your OS intercepts the download with an untrusted source warning. This is standard. Tap into Settings through the prompt and temporarily authorize the Install Unknown Apps permission to allow the installation. Immediately after the app installs, practice good device hygiene. Return to your system settings and revoke that permission. Apple restricts sideloading, so iOS relies on an advanced web application. Open Safari, specifically version 16.4 or higher to utilize hardware video encoding. Navigate to the official Visualizer web app and tap Add to Home Screen to run it like a native program. By installing outside the traditional app stores, you get a specialized tool that operates in total isolation, with zero integrated corporate telemetry. Open the Visualizer app, select Create Video, choose your exported JSON, and accept the privacy notice. This allows the app to fetch the Carto map tiles needed to draw your route. Before building a complex multi-year map, set the duration to a minimal 10-second preset. Hit Preview, verify the map geometry plots, and then tap Create Video. This confirms proper file system access. If you see a Raw Locations Only warning, your export is missing Google's semantic processing. The visualizer deploys an outlier filter to suppress implausible jumps. And for heavy decade-long datasets, version 2.1.2 uses optimized trail generation to parse massive files without memory crashes. Running this short validation check confirms your data structure is sound, preventing you from tying up your device's processing power on a corrupted file. With the system validated, you can dial in the narrative. Use the exact dates configuration to isolate a specific timeframe, like a single calendar year or a multi-day vacation trip. Look at the Live Data Summary panel right below the date selectors. This updates dynamically as you adjust the calendar, displaying the exact location point count and overall distance. This confirms you actually have movement data inside that time frame before committing to a render. 3 camera profiles exist. Steady uses a central dead zone. Fixed locks altitude. Dynamic scales aggressively. For long flights, balanced compression mathematically interpolates missing GPS points across vast distances. Applying these specific kinematic profiles and temporal limits takes a chaotic file of raw coordinates and structures it into a highly curated visual timeline. Tap Create Video. The engine tracks assembly phase by phase, finishing with an automatic zoom-out sequence to reveal the complete macro-level route. Once complete, the high-quality MP4 is generated entirely offline and automatically cataloged within your device's standard media library for local viewing. If you are a power user or developer looking to script automated batch conversions, the original Python command line interface is available for desktop environments. We have linked the documentation in the description below. The Google Maps web timeline is gone, but by extracting the raw data and utilizing this local engine, you can reclaim your travel history and compress years of localized memory into a permanent, highly shareable video.